aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları,
özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello my students, today we are gonna talk about our English lesson, Unit 5, Project Earth. Now, how we use singular and plural words in was were. Okay, let's check the first one. There was a cat. What means in the singular? That's one object or one person. Okay, let's check the second one. There was a little girl, a little girl. Okay, let's check the third one. There was a park. There was a one park. Okay, there was a bus. There was a one bus. Okay, the other one. There was an umbrella, but one umbrella. Please careful. Okay, there was an elephant, a one big elephant. Okay, let's check the plurals one. Plurals means more than one. For example, 2, 3, maybe 4. There were cats. Look at this. Cats, a lot of cats, okay? There were 5 girls. 5 girls. There were parks. There were parks, okay? Many parks. There were buses. There are a lot of buses. There were umbrellas, okay? Umbrellas, more than one umbrellas. There were elephants. So what we should understand, the singular means indicates one person or objects, but plurals means more than one, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. Okay, now let's we continue our book, Thumbs Up. Okay, Thumbs Up book, page 76, okay, page 76. But firstly, we will listen and we will correct it, okay? Firstly, we will listen.
Listen to the descriptions and answer the questions.
In my last vacation, I was in a beautiful place. There was a fantastic blue ocean, there was sand, there weren't any trees around, there were boats on the water. It was really great. In my vacation, I went to a very interesting place. There were museums, there were very tall buildings. There wasn't snow in this place. It was an amazing place.
Okay, now let's look. The girl says that there was an ocean and there was a big blue ocean and there was a sand. This was a sand, okay? But the boy says that there was a tall buildings, the tall building, this one. Look at this. There are tall buildings. Yeah, you are right. There are tall buildings. So that's why, we check. This one is the girl go on her vacation is the second picture. But where did the boy go on his vacation? This is the fourth picture. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's correct it. Okay. This is fourth question. Okay. This one is 2. The girl is 2. I'm sorry. The girl is 2, but the boy is 4. Okay. This one is 4. Okay. Now we will close this one. So now your turn. Okay, please draw me a vacation. For example, an ocean, maybe Hawaii, maybe another country or another places. We will go to summer and there was a vacation, okay? Now this is another part. Okay, look at these 2 pictures. Oh, this one is really bad. But this one is very clean, very soft and very good. Okay, this one, there's a lot of dirtiness, a lot of dirtiness. There are factories, there are a lot of cars. There was many cars, okay? But in this part, there was a bike. There was a subway. There are a lot of trees, for example. For example, these are recycling bins. Okay, now in the past, we will color with blue, but now we will color for the yellow one. Okay, for example, garbage. In the past, this is garbage. Okay, what about noise? there are a lot of noise because of the cars, okay? Noise. Okay, what about recycling bins? Recycling bins. These ones are recycling bins, okay? But this color is yellow. Recycling bins. And there is also bike, okay? There is a bike. So bike is now, okay? But subway, look at the picture. The subway is the yellow part. So that's why subway is yellow. But what about air pollution? Look at this air pollution. Oh my God, it's really bad. Okay? These are the air pollution, really dirtiness. This is air pollution, okay? And what about park? The park is yellow one because it's a new, okay? Look at this park. Park. And look at this fresh air. Not about dirtiness. This is fresh air, okay? This is fresh air. Okay, look at these pictures again. This one dirty, a lot of factories, cars, and many about trucks. But this one, there are really fresh air, softness park, and also bike and recycling bins, okay? That's correct. Okay, now we are in this part. Okay. Okay. Yes. Well, firstly we will read. Now the city is clean and green. There are lots of bikes. There is subway and there are some recycling bins, okay? There isn't any noise. There are a lot of quietness. There isn't any air pollution. There is a lot of fresh air, okay? There is a lot of fresh air. There is a park. Okay, this is park. It's my favorite place. This one is now, but now let's look the past part, okay? Let's look. Okay. Yes. Okay. In my town, there was, okay? In my town, there was, okay? There was a lot of garbage, okay? There was a lot of garbage. There weren't any recycling bins, okay? For example, I'm sorry. There weren't any recycling bins, okay? There weren't any recycling bins. There wasn't a park and there wasn't a subway. There wasn't a subway. There were a lot of cars. There were a lot of cars and there was also a lot of noise. Okay, this part, in my town, there was a lot of garbage. This one is a lot of garbage and a lot of air pollution. But there weren't any recycling bins. There weren't any recycling bins. And there wasn't a park. And there wasn't a subway in this part. Okay? There were a lot of cars. There are making a lot of noise. And there was a lot of noise because of the cars. Okay? So let's close this part. Now we are in here. Okay. Were there any recycling bins? For example, in our school, were there any recycling bins? Yes. For example, we have recycling bins, for example. Okay. Were there any fresh air or was there any fresh air? Yes. Was there any fresh air? Was there Was there any fresh air? Yes, we have fresh air. Okay? Okay. Were there a lot of cars? Okay, look at S. Were there a lot of cars? Yes, we have a lot of cars. Okay, was there a lot of garbage? No, in our world, no more garbage, I think. Okay. Was there, because one subway, okay, one subway, that's why we choose was. Was there a subway? Yes, we have subway. Okay. Were there any parks? Yes, we have. Yes, there were a lot of parts. Okay, so we can understand this part. When we say there was, it signifies one thing. But what we talk about, the there were, it signifies more than one thing. Okay, for example, the 2, maybe 4, maybe 5. These are our examples. Okay, let's close this part. Okay. Okay, now we are generally talk about what we learn in this topic. We are talking about there was and there were. There signifies, it there was, there signifies one thing, but it is there were, there signifies a lot of objects and person. Yeah, that's all what we will talk in our unit. Okay? Today what we learn there was and there were. There was signifies one thing or one person, but there were signifies more than one thing. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for all my students. Goodbye. See you.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları,
Özgüvenli öğrencileri,
final okulları.